It's me back again with another makeup video. Today is going to be a little bit different though. I, as you can probably tell, don't normally do natural, or should I say natural shades of eye makeup. But I thought today me and you guys could attempt to do something a bit more natural, a bit more you could go to the office type look. So I have all of my Revolution, the chocolate palettes out in front of me to choose from, the oranges, the browns, you know, the more natural colours. And you and me are going to be going through, for the first time probably of me ever doing a natural look on my makeup. So let's just get started, shall we? I'm going to quickly go off camera, I'm going to prime my face and prime my eyes quickly, so I'll be right back. Right, I am back. I have moisturised my face, I've primed my face, I've primed my eyes. It's time to get into doing the eye makeup look. So I'm going to start with a base shade. So I'm thinking just a very light brown colour. I think the best one to do this with is from the Cranberries and Chocolate Palette. This colour here, the Tawny shade, a super fluffy brush, should I say. So I've just got this random brush here. It's just a very fluffy brush. So I'm just going to dip into this shade and then I'm just going to put this in my crease. So like I said, this is just a transition colour to a base shade for all the other colours that I'm going to put on. I am going to be doing both my eyes at the same time today, just so that I can get them looking as closer to each other as possible. There we go, that's the base shade done. I now am going to take a slightly darker brown just for the inner corner of both my eyes. I think we're going to take this colour from the Violet Chocolate Palette, the Vandeville? Well, however you say that, I'm not too sure. I'm then going to take the Morphe M433, this fluffy brush, to do the inner corner of my eyes. I'm just going to take that into the crease as well. Like I said, that first shade was just a transition colour, so if you lose it, then it doesn't matter too much. So I just zoomed you in a bit just because I need the light a bit closer and you can also see better what I'm doing. Like I said in my last video, I haven't done the rest of my face yet just because of all the fallout from the eyeshadows. I can just get rid of those so that I don't have to then go and do my foundation all over again. There we go, that is that dark brown finished. I'm now going to take just a random brush. This is a slightly flatter, fluffy brush. I'm just going to take this colour to do a bit of an orange colour between that dark brown in my crease. So I actually have the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I'm gonna take the shade Secure, this one here, and put that colour in my crease. Now I'm going to go back to that brown shade so that we don't lose the original dark brown shade that I used in the outer corner of my eye. Just blend these two colours together. I'm going to go back to the original shade that I was using, the very light brown shade, just to try and blend the two together a bit better. There we are. I'm now going to get a very dark brown shade and go back to the outer corner just a tiny bit to try and put some depth in the outer corner. I'm going to take the shade Chocolate from the Red Violet Chocolate Palette, this dark brown in the middle here, and just put that in the outer corner. I don't know if it's dark enough, but we'll have a look. See if it's not, we'll put a different one on. So I'm taking the Morphe M152, the small angled brush, just to do the outer corner. As you can see, I now have the tiniest bit on my lid here that doesn't have any colour on it. I think I'm gonna go a bit mad with this look. It's a bit boring for me. And back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, they have this very nice green down here named Top Secret. I think I'm gonna try and put that in the little gap that I have. So I'm going to take the Morphe M124. It's a flat, just a flat brush that I'm just going to take some of the green with. There we go. I'm now going to go back to the Red Violet palette, chocolate palette, and take this colour here, the Decadent. It's just a glittery orange. I'm going to use that to highlight my inner corner of my eye. So I'm just taking the very tiny flat brush, the Morphe M508. Just take some of that onto the brush. So that is the whole look. I'll be back with you guys once I put on the rest of my face. I'll be back with you to put on my lipstick and to show you the finished look. Right. Hey guys. So I'm back. I have put on my foundation, my highlighter, my contour, my concealer and all of that jazz. And I'm now ready to do my under eye. So we are going to go back in with that dark green shade on my under under eye area. So just get some of that. Obviously, you can put the dark brown shade that we used under your eye if you would prefer. I just want a little bit more colour in my eye. I know I said I was doing this more of an office look, but I just would like that just a little bit of colour. And I don't think this green is too bright that you still couldn't wear it into an office if you wanted to. I'm now going to take a big flat brush and just try and smudge that green out a little bit. There we go. I'm just going to quickly go and put some mascara on and I'll be back. I really need to get some new mascara. I definitely think this one is getting a bit old. It's looking a bit clumpy when I try and put it on. Maybe that's just me. But definitely probably should get some new ones. Maybe by my next video I'll have some new stuff to try out. But for the moment, I'm gonna quickly put some lip liner and my lipstick on and then I will be done. Just want to point out this Revolution highlighter, wowie, can you see that? That is bright. Right, let me quickly put some lipstick on and I'll be back. I'm actually using the Morphe red lipstick and red lip liner. This one is the high maintenance and this one I believe is Steamy. It's just a red lipstick basically. Just quickly put that on. Well, there you go, there's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will be trying to record new videos every week and uploading them every Saturday. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye. I forgot to say that I did put some eyeliner on just to finish off the look and I actually think it works quite well. So if you want to do that, you can. I think it looks a lot better with the eyeliner, but obviously you don't have to, or if you don't know how to, that's completely fine. I'd say just give it a go. I've never been able to do eyeliner that well, but I think today it worked out quite well. So yeah.